Hey everyone, imagine creating cinematic scenes, dynamic camera shots, and scroll stopping visuals, all powered by AI video technology and without expensive camera gear or a film crew. In today's video, I am introducing you to Higgsfield, a powerful and emerging platform that many creators are calling a free AI video generator and one of the cheapest AI platforms for producing cinematic style visuals. Whether you are a YouTuber, reel creator, filmmaker, or storyteller, Higgsfield AI lets you turn simple ideas into stunning video style scenes in minutes. Let's see how it works. Something interesting is brewing in the AI storytelling space, and creators are starting to notice. Seedance 2.0 hasn't officially launched yet, but between early announcements, teaser posts, and community discussions, there is already a lot of buzz. In this video, we will walk through the key public signals so far, what creators are expecting next, and why Seedance 2.0 could be the one to keep a close eye on. Let's start with the official Seedance 2.0 page. Whenever a tool gets a dedicated preview page this early, it usually signals something significant is coming. As we scroll through here, a few things stand out. First, the positioning. Seedance isn't being framed as just another AI video tool. It's being presented as part of the evolution of AI storytelling itself. Second, the emphasis on cinematic output and creative workflows. That's important because creators today aren't just looking for generation tools. They want tools that help them tell complete stories. And third, the tone of the messaging itself. It's clearly aimed at creators, filmmakers, and visual storytellers, not just casual users. That alone tells us who this really is really targeting. Next, let's take teaser shared on X. Teasers like this are interesting because they usually reveal just enough to spark curiosity without giving everything away. From what we can see here, the focus appears to be on visual quality, motion realism, and storytelling style outputs. And this aligns with the broader trend we are seeing in AI tools right now. The shift from generating individual clips to generating structured narratives. That's a big leap and one many creators are waiting for. Now, this is where things get really interesting. The community discussion. When you scroll through threads like this, patterns start to emerge. Here are some recurring themes people are talking about. First, expectations around consistency. Right? One of the biggest challenges in AI video today is keeping characters and scenes consistent across shots. Right? Second, people are expecting longer, more coherent sequences. Not just clips, but storytelling that flows naturally. And third, there is a lot of curiosity about how fast workflows might become. Right? If tools like this reduce editing time significantly, that's a huge shift for creators. What's fascinating how aligned these expectations are. Different users, different backgrounds, but very similar hopes for what Seedance 2.0 might deliver. Zooming out for a moment, we are entering a phase where AI tools aren't just creating content, they are starting to assist with storytelling itself. And that's a much harder problem to solve. If Seedance 2.0 manages to even slightly change in that direction, it could set a new bar for what creators expect from AI video tools. For now, we are still in the pre release stage, but this is definitely one to watch. As soon as Seedance 2.0 goes live, we'll break it down in detail and test what it can actually do. If you're interested in AI tools, storytelling, or the future of content creation, consider subscribing and stay tuned because the next generation of creative tools is arriving faster than most people expected.
Now imagine combining everything. Link 2.6 audio gives you the atmosphere and voiceover for the scene. And WAN 2.5
Old heads on the bench, eyes sharp, say less. You want shine, young blood, you gotta earn.
adds stylized motion feel. You now get a YouTube intro scene which feels like coming straight out of a film studio, built entirely with AI. If you you're a creator who wants to make their content look more cinematic, immersive, and professional, Higgsfield AI is the tool which you're looking for and should surely try out. Try experimenting with the Nano Banana Pro for cinematic scenes, or the Kling 2.6 audio for adding voiceovers and atmospheres and environment, and Wine 2.0 for stylized makeovers of cinematic motion, and start building scenes that truly stand out.
Further.